I'm Michael Cthulhu and I make giant crazy weapons for people. The way I work is I get like a big huge sheet of pre-hardened steel and then I'll mark out the shape on it and then start cutting shapes out. Welding bits together, heating things up, beating things into shape, lots of angle grinding until finally you do lots of welding and grinding and finally you have a sword. So the challenge is then like converting the fantasy into reality. Where I draw my inspiration from is like video games, manga, movies, anything where there's like big, giant, crazy weapons, and the crazier, the better. Then in 2007, this guy asked me to make this ginormous sword, like just incredibly big. And it was so big and so funny, my buddy said you should film a video of you trying to use it and put it on YouTube. And after I did that, like the emails just never stopped. They just kept coming and coming and coming. My life plan now is to keep making big giant swords until my back breaks. So I think I have another good 6 to 9 months left in me.